Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Heni Trilianti and I'm from Purple Visionaire. Here I will explain why our group took the title Attractive Design UI UX. Why we took the title? Because I want to see it from the user point of view. While from the user point of view, judging a good application by looking at the logo design, color setting, using attractive text, layout, then interesting feature or features that are not available in other applications, and a good application performance. Then here I will explain a little about the content of the paper, namely table of content is abstract, table of content, acknowledgement, literature review, deliverables, executive summary, reference, attachment. So, thank you.
Hello, my name is Binus from Purple Visionaire, and I will explain the UI UX design component. In this design, we use white for the website background color, then green as the primary color. We use red for notification incoming message, and dark gray for navigation text color, light gray for text color website content. Then we use two different type black color. This this one we use for footer background color, and this for heading text color. The reference that we use when making UI UX design website for job finder is GitHub, Behance, Dribble, Upwork, and the Kotakode website.
Hi, my name is Rifki Padisiliwangi and I'm from Purple Visionaire. We would like to thank to the organizer of the International Design Challenge event that was held by Bina Nusantara Informatic University, as well as the various sponsors that are involved in this event, so that we can express our interest in UI design on this event. We're hoping by this event, Kotakode will get best design soon. Thank you.